her again, out in the rain. She decided to come out when it's 90% chance of rain. There's Jorge.
Hello.
I hope you can hear me. I've got a garbage bag on for a poncho. So my first find was this. It's a diamond shape. It looks like it's orange paint underneath. But it's perfectly done that way, so not knowing what it is. But thought it was interesting enough to show. So Marty's first cast is a red piece of metal. Looks like a giant's cane. Looks like I got some kind of wheel coming up the hill. And I do. It was muddy. Is that from a shopping cart? Or is that from a mower? We don't know. No, it's not a magnet. Oh, so pulling this one up here, I have and just saw amongst all that, I got a pocket knife. No clue about it. I don't know if that's plastic or bone, or that's definitely not wood, I don't think. But it may be. This side's definitely not. That's cool, man.
Go, baby.
You know he gonna get cleaned up. And if things ever look halfway decent when I clean them up, or if they didn't disintegrate, I always do show you guys. So, but there that is. And again, not sure. So I'm pretty sure I just had garbage. But George says this is a piece of a welding striker.
Not a welder, but
one of those sparks things for a welder.
It's for the guns.
The chicka.
Cutting torch.
For a cutting torch, he said.
Cutting torch
Striker.
Part of it's missing.
Yeah, there's a bunch of it missing. Inside of a can with a lot of holes. Nothing else. Nothing. What you got? Oh, hey.
Can lid.
That looks like the top to the sparky thing for the
It is to the cutting torch.
Hold on, let me see it. Turn it back over. It is cool.
To the cutting torch that we just, not cutting torch, but the striker.
And he found a piece of timing chain.
Yeah, old timing chain.
Isn't it weird how they were metal at one point?
I know, it's crazy.
And then nothing?
I got your.
Don't close the shower curtain. Or do.
I did.
See ya. Good. I hope y'all can see Marty. She just fell on her butt. Now she's going to continue to fish on her butt. Just caught this. Kind of looks like a key or something.
I thought I got $200 from you for a minute.
So, we'll be cleaning it up.
That is a key, I think.
I don't know what this is. It's half round. Got like a hole there. Maybe it, like George said, it's a water main thing. Maybe, I don't know. And I got a V, a little L thing, a 7. Marty said she got something. Oh,
Needle nose.
she got a little pair of needle nose platos. Ew. Nope. George was fixed the last one, so maybe he can fix these. Cute, cute, cute. George is using Miss Athena. He got.
Battery.
No, that's not a battery. That is a shotgun shell. No, that's another
one.
thing of lipstick.
Is it?
Yeah.
Intact?
Yep. Awesome.
And an old pair of shears.
And a really old pair of scissors. These are like fabric cutters. These are nice.
First cast with this, you know.
Very nice. Nice.
Hey, have you guys just ever wondered?
I can't believe that's what this is. I don't think it has a lid on it. I think this was, yep, that's the inside right there.
You sure it's not one of them tire things again?
I don't know. I don't know. I really think it's a lipstick, but
We'll clean it up and see.
we'll let you guys know whatever we think it might be. So Marty just cleaned that off and read it. And it is another one of those old tire gauges. It's not a lipstick or a shotgun shell. It's another one of those like we had before that we tried to clean up, and it was just a one piece or whatever. But see, it's broken there, so it's just a piece of it. So, but that's it. 1930s, right?
Yeah.
Yep, 1930s tire gauge. George just got this piece of decorative something, maybe.
It's a murder weapon. I know it is.
Anything else?
Nope.
I'm gonna kill George, but I'm so happy. Him found a padlock. Oh my God.
Got a lot of writing on it.
These are the only kinds we find around here, but I love them.
I am the
Let me
lock.
have it.
Let me just say this.
I'm the lock
You
queen.
may be the lock queen, but I am the lock godfather king.
Look at that. Look
I'm
at
King
that.
Daddy Lock.
Beautiful, beautiful,
I
beautiful.
lock and pop.
Oh, it's really thin. Oh, nice.
Who your daddy is?
Very nice. Marty just went up on the hill because she saw something and she found this. It's going in my pottery garden. It's like a little
Spread out there.
stagecoach, or I'm not sure what, but that's pretty darn awesome, man. Thank you.
Yes.
Very, very, very cool.
Show that lock.
Marty's crawling around up there on the hill again. She found this piece of, don't know, big old long piece of chewed up crunchy metal. So we're getting it out of here. Marty and George have been fighting for 35 minutes with Titan stuck to this fence post down here. And it was stuck in the bank in the mud. Oh, and they just now got it back up here. Yay, y'all.
Come here, take a look at it. How far deep it was buried in the mud. See the red.
See, from down here to right there, it was buried in the mud, and then you can see the red where it wasn't. But it was stuck on both ends in the mud, and they couldn't get it up here. Plus, it's friggin' heavy,
Stuck in the kudzu vine.
and it was stuck in those kudzu vines. Jorge got another lock, you guys. I'm very happy, but we're still going to kill him.
You'll show them the other one
nice.
too. Make sure
This one's closed.
Make sure that we're not lying.
Oh, there's a handle to something. Give it to me. It's like a drawer pull. This.
This one.
Oh, look at that. It's like a, yeah, it's a,
This is my spot.
nice.
Heel to a shoe. Metal heel.
A metal heel to a shear. That's messed up.
Like a tap shoe or.
You got 3 nice finds on there. Let me get you the bucket. So that's 2 today. Woo hoo hoo hoo.
It may be a signpost from up there.
Well, it looks just like
So Marty just brought me this that she found. We think this one might be a lipstick.
It's very old if it is.
Very, very, very old. It's got grooves all over the side. It's very heavy because I guess it's full of water. And it's slanted at the top, so we do think this one's a lipstick.
Let's do a close out.
Marty just got an oil filter. It's already done its
cast of the day.
damage, but thank God it's out. And that's going to be our last cast of the day. We're going home. Sorry it's a
Thank
short
y'all
video.
for coming and watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for Marty coming. We love y'all. Real deal. Subscribe.
So, hey, this is the lock, one of the locks that George caught. cleaned up as good as it can be. It says Miller 6 lever.
1930.
It was made in 1913. It's actually in really good shape underneath all that. I was hoping I could get the lever to move, but I don't know that that'll ever happen. But it's still cool. And then here's the knife that I caught. Unfortunately, it's pretty disintegrated, just like the other padlock. But we're still gonna keep it because it's kind of cool.